Think green beans are basic? Think again, partner. Sautéed to perfection with garlic, lemon, toasted almonds, and a little bit of tarragon magic. This ain't your average side dish. And the best part, they're ready in 20 minutes flat. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're taking green beans from boring to bold, bright, and downright dangerous in the tastiest way possible. Hop on board and let's get cooking. Make sure to like and subscribe for more new and delicious vegan recipes that we post every week. Place a large frying pan on medium-high heat and add 1/4 cup sliced almonds. Toast almonds until a nutty aroma develops, about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they darken slightly. Transfer toasted almonds to a small bowl. In the same pan, add 4 cups trimmed green beans and 1/4 cup water. Stir until well combined and cover with the lid. Cook for about 2 to 4 minutes or until beans are bright green and slightly crunchy to the bite. You do not want to overcook them. Remove lid and reduce heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, about 1½ teaspoon minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon each spice seasoning and mustard powder, and freshly ground black pepper. Just before serving, add 1 tablespoon minced tarragon, lemon zest and juice, and toss. Sprinkle with toasted almonds and serve immediately. There you have it. Green beans, so good, they might just outshine the main course. Serve them up with your favorite pasta or eat them straight out of the pan, just like a veggie outlaw. Love them. So good. So crunchy and tasty and flavorful. If you're loving our outlaw approved, family-friendly recipes, just stir up that like button and subscribe. And ride over for more Veggie Outlaws most wanted vegan recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, and pick up a copy of your book,